Welcome, champions, to the first ever MFG Champs Mastermind. We started planning this, 4 months ago as an idea. We threw it on the calendar. We're like, grab this date, lock it down. We're gonna see what happens when we bring together a bunch of young, up-and-coming leaders in the manufacturing space. Because we put together an agenda for the event, right? Everyone here has a lot of strengths they bring to the table, unique strengths, but the real magic is gonna come from all the little ideas and the big ideas that come out of this that could be small tweaks to our businesses, big new things, and I'm excited to see what happens over the next couple days here.